Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily make a folder on your KOBO Elipsa 2E. So first what you guys need to do is go over to the My Notebooks and here click New and then click Folder. So now give your folder a name, click Save. And as you guys can see here we have the folder, and now if we want to put it, simply go here. Here you'll be able to export. Not like that, but you'll be able to do that. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.